Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other website. You can claim your Bitcoin from that website just watching advertisement, and anything you want, you just watch video and you can Faucet claim has to every hour. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website already paid this much amount of dollar. This website working this much Bitcoin earned from that this website. Okay, and this much user, this much Faucet, and this much offer complete from this website. Okay, this is very high payment website, and you can this website link will be available in description. You can just click register, you can fill the form and you can register yourself in this website. Okay, trusted by 1 million users, and 20 ways have to earn your Bitcoin from this website. Okay, put your first name, email, password, confirm password, solve this letter capture, and you can just click create account. You can create your account. I have already account, just I click login to I log in myself in here. Okay, this is a very high payment website. You can claim your Bitcoin from this website, and this is have multiple ways to earn. Okay, I solve this capture and I click login to log in to this website, and this is the website. And yeah, I earn 11 BTC because I lost my BTC in the playing game. This website have multiple ways to earn. This is all earn. The first one is rolling. Rolling, you can roll your rolling time every 1 hour. Every 1 hour you can here roll again. Okay, this is the rolling. Just click roll. Okay, solve this capture. Okay, wait a minute, the capture is come because of slowing my internet. Sorry about this, because in here I have a very low internet connection. Okay, and this is the capture. Solve the capture. Bull fish, and just click switch and to roll. Okay, and you can see it's roll. I earned 51 coin. Okay, sorry, 22 coin. Okay, and I reload the page to show me in here. Okay, I earned 51 coin again, this much coin. Okay, I don't know what happened, and I earned this much coin. This is the 86 coin I earned. This website need one little bit faster internet connection. Okay, about that, if you have a fast internet connection, you can be earned from this website. Okay, you can view ads, PTC ads, and you can earn much more from here too, just watching advertisement of other companies, and you can earn. Okay, this is all advertisement you can watch, and this is a 6.5 second watching this advertisement. Okay, this all you can create your PTC ads to show other people, and you can complete offer walls, complete survey, install mobile app, watch video. If you watch video, you can earn to play game, referral users, random promo code. All of this is the way you can earn from this website. Okay, I show you the one thing all you want to know about that, the withdrawal. You can withdraw your funds to any things you want. If you want to withdraw your Bitcoin to wallet, your Dogecoin wallet, any wallet you want, you can withdraw your funds, but have a minimum amount for withdrawal. This much coin, the minimum amount. Right now I have this much coin, I can get my withdrawal, and this is for Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin is little bit less. The Litecoin, Bitcoin is very high. If you reach it this much coin, you can withdraw with Dogecoin. Okay, and this is very base website. Okay, and I have another things like activity, the story, the PTC ads again. Okay, click story, figure about that, and user dashboard. You can buy some things about to investment, and this is all about this website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my ad videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.